Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to show you a mobile app designed for small supermarkets to help manage inventory efficiently. Now, first, look at how to operate the app. The app interface displayed on the screen is very simple. Here are steps to use it. Now, you can see I open the project is my app. You will see the home. You will see the home screen with a logo labeled shop. You can shop on the top. The two text boxes below. One label is name and the other label is the number. This is where you enter the details of the items in stock. For example, you can let's say you receive a batch of apples. The number of 50 apples. Now you can enter apples, and the number is 50. And next, you will see the several buttons below the text box and the button and then button. To add an item local. To add an item to your inventory, click the red add button. Now you can see this is the data to a local database on the device called 10db, but also upload the data to Google Forms for color backup. You will notice that items appear in the list well below weight displays or inventory records. Now you can see the time is 34. You can see 6:34. Apples 50. And then we can add another things like banana, 12, like pears, 4. And now you can see it's on the it, and you also find it in the Google Forms. And if you want to find specified item, you just need and the name like apples. You can find that you can see it just the apples or pears. You can see the pears or banana. Yeah, you can find this in it. And if you want to delete some, and now I want to see the reload. If you want to refresh the list, you can click the reload. Then you can see just the items you write, and you want if you want to delete, you need to click the delete. Now you can see all of things will clear the data and the main screen, and we will clean all the data. Next is the main features of the mobile app. The first feature is adding inventory, and I showed before that. You can input the name and the quantity of an item and click add. There screens the add does two things. It saves the data locally in 10db, a simple database on your device, and it also sends the data to Google Forms, where database on your device, and this strong ensure that your data is safe. Even if you lose interest access, you will still have it locally, and it will set to the cloud when you are back online. For example, when at Apple's the app creates a dictionary like a name apples and number 50. And the next is a search feature. By typing a name in the name field and clicking Find, the app searches through all records in TinyDB. For example, if I search for apples, the app will display apples 50 in the list where I just add something. And then you can find it. And the next is and the third is deleting records. When you type an item, this will app tests your update screen where you can modify the name or quantity. For example, I want to select all of this, and you can use a delete. The app updates is recorded in TinyDB and refreshes the list where to show the changes. And last is reload. Is sometimes like means refresh. We add something. And we can see it, and before that we should find something like apples 5, and then we refresh with clean reload, or you can see it. And the last is how to test apps. And how to test apps. First, we performed functional testing to verify each feature. For the add feature, we added an item like bananas 30 and checked that it was saved correctly in TinyDB as the dictionary in the list of records. We also confirmed that the data was uploaded to Google Forms by checking the form responsible online. For the find feature, we add the field items, search for one like a banana, and verifies that the list will show banana 30. We test adding by changing the quantity of an item and deleting it, ensuring the changes were reflected in TinyDB and the list where. We also test the delete button to confirm it, clear all records, and the reload button to ensure the update the list will correctly. Now I finish the app project.